As a second wave of coronavirus infection surges across the continent, European leaders are scrambling to better coordinate the bloc's response. After a virtual summit, the EU announced that €220 million will be made available to finance a safe cross-border transfer of patients, while European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen urged for a more united response.
The spread of the virus will overwhelm our healthcare systems if we do not act urgently. And it is important to act coherent across the European Union.
As France goes into a second national lockdown, its European neighbours are also weighing up tougher measures. Germany has also reinstated a lockdown, though not as harsh as that in France. New measures which come into force on Monday include the closure of restaurants, bars, gyms and theatres. Gatherings will be limited to 10 people from a maximum of 2 households, and non-essential journeys are discouraged. Heckled by right-wing MPs as she outlined the restrictions in Parliament on Thursday, Merkel defended her decision.
Der Winter wird schwer. 4 lange, schwere Monate. Aber wird enden.
In Italy, Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte is under pressure after protests have broken out across the country this week in response to the closure of restaurants and bars from 6 p.m. Cinemas, theatres and gyms have been ordered to close completely. In a bid to quell the backlash, Conte called for national unity in order to avoid a second lockdown in a speech in Parliament on Thursday. Meanwhile, the Spanish Parliament approved the extension for 6 months of a state of emergency. While a national nighttime curfew and several regional lockdowns are in place, for now the government is resisting another nationwide lockdown.